This is just a video to show you how to use the magnifier tool in Notability. So if you're in a document and you want to write neatly by hand with one of the marker tools, either the marker or the pencil or even the highlighter, you can actually enlarge the screen in the area where you're writing, and that will allow you to write neatly, and it moves the magnified portion of the screen as you write, so it's pretty handy. If you go up into your toolbar at the top of the page, which you can see I'm adjusting now, you want to find the plus sign on the magnifying lens with the little swivel of writing behind it. Tap on that, and this produces, as you can see, two main things. A small box right now located on the heading over the words name and color. And that box is movable. You can put your finger on it and drag the box around if you want to move it that way. You can also enlarge the box by grabbing that little corner where the arrowed dots are. And the other feature is at the bottom of the screen, the area where that box is appears magnified or enlarged. And this allows you to write neatly within the box, and then you can move the box wherever you like and write on your document. To close it, you just X out in the bottom right corner above that shaded portion. There's a little toolbox, and you can click the X. The other feature, I guess, of this is if you tap on your magnifier up in the toolbox and you bring the box down, to some line spaces, and you write into the blue region, the shaded region, like that, the box moves automatically for you and will even drop down a line like that. So pretty handy. I would encourage you to use this tool if you're writing by hand, which you really won't do too much. But if you're writing by hand and your handwriting is not particularly neat, you should use the magnifier.